What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Morning Crypto. This is a channel all about technical analysis and price predictions. And today we're going to be talking about ILLUVIUM. I believe I pronounced that right. aka ILV. So it's been a while since I did an update on ILLUVIUM, and I just want to touch base and backtrack a bit on the coins that I've did a technical analysis on and haven't done in a while. So I'm doing one on ILLUVIUM. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the technical analysis. So there are I don't remember the last time. I don't remember the last time I did a technical analysis on ILLUVIUM. However, I did have my old drawings in here, and also, yeah, I just left all my drawings here, right? So we're looking at the 4-hour time frame here, and I think the last time I did is back in November 22nd, November 20th, somewhere around there, I believe. And obviously, what happened was, it went up, of course, the price action went up. And I originally thought that the arrow was going to be, my speculation of how the market is going to look like, but obviously it tanked right up, right? So that's a good sign, and now it's coming back down because all the market is going to the dump net right now, right? So let's go ahead and remove all these arrows here and redo all of this Fibonacci retracement, right? Just kind of double check on everything. So we're on the daily time frame here. I will have to add some new sorry, not Fibonacci, but our support and resistance levels, right? So let's go ahead and add these here. Okay, solid. So first thing I want to point out here, as you can tell, or you guys haven't noticed it yet, from the higher low to a higher high, right? We're on a daily time frame here, and obviously the market is still in an uptrend motion. So obviously that it made an all-time high, right? It did hit, close to. I think it did hit 2,000, right, or close to 2,000, and dropped down, and it went past the $1,385. So the 0.382 went right past it. Now it's getting close to dropping to the 0.5, which is the $1,200. Okay, so I said this multiple times. Usually in an uptrend, when the Fibonacci retracement level, the price actually drops down to the Fibonacci retracement level, which is the 0.5, 0.618 level. So in that case, 1,200 for the 0.5 and 1,014 for the 0.618. So out of one of these two levels, the price will, retrace back up. The price will switch. So obviously right here, you got a really, really good, retracement here, right? Between this support and resistance line here, right? Had a little retracement here, and then it finally broke out of it over here, right? Now it's going back to that same area again, right? So I'm hoping, and hopefully it should, that once they hit the $1,200, we might be able to see the market go right back up. Okay. Worst case scenario, if the market tends to, continue going back down, and we're switching over to the 4-hour time frame just because I want to see if the market still is going to continue going back down. So if it were, then we might just see it come back down to the $1,014, which is the 0.618 level, and then hopefully it will go back up from there. Okay, so obviously you could tell by the moving average that once the red crosses the blue moving average, I'm thinking that it's going to hit the 0.5 level, right? So which is the $1,200. And if it, that's what I feel like, when it does cross, it will hit the $1,200. But if the green crosses the blue, then we might be able to see a long-term downtrend, possibly to the $1,014. Okay, so you got two options there, right? So hopefully my first option will be more accurate, is touching at the $1,200 and hopefully going back up. So yeah, usually around this area. That's what I'm predicting. So 1,200 and 1,160. So around this area is what I'm hoping for, because I feel like if it does touch the 1,200, I feel like it's gonna like create a false breakout, kind of like have, you know, a couple wicks here, like how it did. You know, it hit the 1,200, dropped down to the 1,160, right, a couple times, and then hopefully go back up. Okay, so you could obviously tell that there's a pattern here, right? So went up, went down, right, and then coming back down to this area right here. So from looking from right to left, hopefully it creates the same exact pattern, right? And then hopefully it will start tanking back up like how it did over here. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And obviously from the time that I did the last technical analysis, it shot up a lot. It shot a lot, like, you know, it skyrocketed, right? So yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. I think that we got a clear, you know, observation of where the market is gonna be, you know, going. So like I said, hit around the 1,200, 1,160, and hopefully we'll start tanking back up, right? Or if the market tends to continue going down, as you know, as you may know, majority of the market is still red, it might continue coming down to the 1,014 before going back up. So that's a possibility, because we have a retracement over here as well, right? So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys understand or understood what I said about my technical analysis price predictions. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give the videos a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and also hit the bell icon to get the newest technical analysis. And also feel free to let me know of any other coins that you want me to do. I'll be happy to do it. So without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.